What's the difference between double equal and dot equal method in Java? In Java, double equal and dot equal are both used to compare values, but they work differently and are used in different contexts. Let's see equality operator or double equal. It is used to compare object references in memory address. It is used to check if two references point to the same object in a memory. It works well for primitive data types, e.g. int, char, double, where it checks actual values. And dot equal method. It defined in object class and often overridden in other classes like string, list, and it is used to compare actual content or values of two objects. You should use dot equal when you want to compare logical equality. Let's see the comparison. So suppose there is a two string initiated with new keyword. So string A and string B both initiated with new keyword and that are hello. So if you use dot equal and it will return true, and if you use double equal it will return false, because there are two objects and it stored in string code in another place. Suppose there is string literals you have initiated like A and B. So if you use dot equal or double equal, both will return true because both are stored in same place. Next, like integer objects. So if you initiated the new keyword, so dot equal will return true and double equal will return false. Suppose there is custom object, you have initiated the new keyword. So in both cases, it will return false because both are different objects. Thanks.